It is time for you to turn those riffs, lyrics, melodies, and ideas into complete songs. And hey, why not a complete album? My name is Jason Stallworth. I am the co-founder of Metal Mastermind.
And I am Ken Candelas, also co-founder of Metal Mastermind. Did you know that almost all musicians, 98%, never complete their idea? You might be in a position where you're writing a riff. Maybe you want to turn that into a song, but you don't know how. Or you might even be lacking some inspiration. Does that sound like you? I know I've been in that situation before. And here is why we created Metal Songwriters Forge, a solution for people like you that need that extra push.
First, let me tell you what Metal Songwriters Forge is not. Ken and I aren't telling you how you should or shouldn't write a song. We're only giving you the roadmap to bring out your own creativity and to help you be more original and authentic in your songwriting.
So this is what you're going to get. You're going to be able to get that roadmap to write better music, write better song structure, write better lyrics, and finally take those ideas that you've always had and put them into a complete picture.
Now, if you're ready to get started with Metal Songwriters Forge, you can just click below. At any point in this video, you'll get immediate access. But let me tell you what you're going to get as soon as you get into Metal Songwriters Forge. The first module, we cover song structure and arrangement. And this is the part where you're going to get into things like ideas for verses, choruses, bridges, the instrumentation, solos, that sort of thing. And we share some examples with you on what pieces of music may fit better. In Module 2, we go through some songwriting fundamentals and progressions. This is when we really start building things out a little more. We start tying pieces of music together. We have several examples that we share with you in this module. In Module 3, we actually go through an analysis of a song that, well, Ken and I wrote together for Metal Mastermind called You Are Your Master. This is an in-depth view of our way of thinking throughout the song, why we did things certain ways and wrote some of the pieces of music the way we did. In Module 4, we cover drums and bass, but not only from the perspective of the song, but we give you some ideas when it comes to writing your own bass lines and your own drum patterns. We actually have a complete section in that module on drum programming, and this is great for giving your drummer ideas or just laying that foundation. In Module 5, we dive deep into lyrics and writing vocal melodies. Of course, we'll be sharing our thought process through the song that we wrote for this course for you. And you're going to pick these concepts up, and they're really going to help you come up with some really creative lyrics and vocal melodies for your song. In Module 6, we get into the instrumentation, and this is great for guitar solos, for keyboard solos, or if you just have some songs that are instrumental only. We share the thought process behind the guitar solos in this specific song, but also give you some ideas and concepts to build on for your songs for those instrumental parts.
So, after all of that, with more than 5 hours of focused content in Metal Songwriters Forge, you also get a guide on learning how to prepare your song for music production. In addition to that, as another bonus, you also get a guide on how to protect your songs for everlasting protection. And with Metal Mastermind, you never have to worry about paying a subscription fee for your course. You buy it once, you keep it forever.
And that means you can go through Metal Songwriters Forge at your own pace and go through it as many times as you want. In fact, Ken and I, we strongly encourage you to continuously go through Metal Songwriters Forge because you're going to get new ideas every time you go through it.
This is Metal Songwriters Forge. It's the ultimate toolkit for any songwriter who wants to make their ideas come to life.
So just click below to get started. You'll get immediate access, and Ken and I, we cannot wait to see you in the course. And as always, create your own sound.